Hi, hello, welcome. In this video, we're gonna see the unboxing of Fossil's Hybrid HR smartwatch and allow it to pair with its app to access all its inbuilt functionalities. I have ordered it from Fossil's official website. It comes with 30 days written policy, 2 years international warranty, which will allow you to repair or replace according to the situation. There are multiple variants that are available. This is of Collider series. The one in here is tan leather model, which is my personal favorite. It did cost me around 14,995 INR. The other variants that are available, one dial that comes with stainless steel, the other one comes with silicone strap, one more model of dark tan leather. If you are willing to opt for chain type, it will cost you another 1500 more bucks. It comes with a charging cable which is of magnetic type. All that you have to do is just place it to the back of the dial. It will just stick. Yep, it holds firm enough even after a couple of jerks. The other end comes so that you can insert into in a USB port and it gets charged. The another interesting feature is interchangeable straps. What I meant is you can pair these dials into any of other models. Say for example, I have ordered one of chain model. Let me show you how it feels to interchange the straps. Yep, all that you have to do is flip the watch to the back side, pull the lever, and it quickly releases. The same applies on the other side as well. The center portion is of solid premium stainless steel. Pick the new chain or strap that you have ordered, attach it on the one side and pull the lever. The straps are also available on e-commerce sites like Amazon. It's a wise choice personally for me. One dial, multiple pairing options with the dresses that you're planning for your occasion and still look best of you. Fantastic. It's a non-touch display. Coming to the battery, Fossil claims it can last up to 2+ weeks and can just be charged in 55 minutes. I don't think it's available in any other smartwatches. Oh, that's convincing option. Let me wrap the straps around my wrist and have a feel of them. The chain one is slightly on heavier side, but that's completely okay. Looks silver in the video, but it is grayish black. It uses e-ink display, which is basically the same display used in Amazon Kindle. The leather one, lightweight, premium, can be worn around the wrist even in the sleeping hours. Should not be an odd member sitting on your wrist. It's a 22 length strap. The back side of the strap is definitely leather, but kind of looks like a silver look and feel, so that any water or sweat gets in can easily evaporate it. Fossil claims it comes with 3 ATM water resistant, but I'm not sure why they have stick with 3 ATM. The running models are already with 5 ATM, which means you cannot wear it for occasions like swimming or so, but it can be worn when you're working out. So far this is how the look and feel of it. Now get into the app and see the combo of app and watch. All you have to do is download an app called Fossil Smart Watch. Yeah, you have to do is download Fossil's smartwatch app from Play Store or App Store and sign in or log in with the credentials that are available. As I already had credentials, I did log in quick. It asks you few details like your name and gender, your weight and height details. Yep, start pairing my watch. To skip or continue, click on continue. Enable Bluetooth, allow, yes, granted. Allow device location, yes. Click on, it's looking for the watch. Yep, it just takes few seconds. It detects my watch. This is my watch. Cool. Based on Bluetooth range and device location, it did detect. It says paired on my dial. Quick enough, not bad. It is trying to update my watch into the app. Gives kind of few details. What is this about? What are the side buttons that are available? How can we use and customize? It is asking to authorize my watch. Click on continue. Once I click on continue, I did hear a strong vibration. I had to hold the center button for quite few seconds, and the you could see a blink of backside. That's the heart rate sensor. This is the warranty manual. You can also get into official website and give you the model that you have purchased and month and year of purchase, so that it will send you a notification saying that your 2 years international warranty is registered. It comes with few manuals with in multiple languages. It says what app to download, how to charge, what are the maintenance. I'll help you guys in reading, or I'll walk you through the functionalities that is available. It comes with few features like sleep monitoring, heart monitoring, pedometer, so that it counts your steps, side buttons with three side buttons on the physical hand dial, so that you can customize and have shortcuts. The app comes with 5 different options at the bottom of the screen, so that you can customize. You can have alarms, you can have presets set. There are a bunch of other functionalities that are offered by this beast computer. I'll take you to the tour of the functionalities in my next video. Stay tuned.